What's up YouTube, it's your boy JB, back with some more heat. If this is your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you finished watching this video and you like what you've seen or you learned something new, hit that like and leave a comment for me, appreciate that. So basically on this channel, what I'm going to be doing is giving you guys some real dope looks at the hottest shoes, real detailed. Also going to give you my opinion where these should cop, pass, or even pay resale. I have a question for you guys. Have you ever had a pair of shoes that was so fire that you didn't wear them for days, weeks, or even months because you don't want to fuck shit up too fast or they wasn't ready for that yet? Well, these shoes, similar vibe, but I had to make the exception. I brought these shoes out literally like a couple days after I got them. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the kicks. Drum roll as always. What I bring to you guys is none other than the off-white Nike Presto. I must apologize, I have wore these shoes. I don't know if I'm reviewing them, but as I said before, I couldn't hold it. So these shoes are actually really limited. Quick story how I got them. If you guys are familiar with something called Nike Sneakers Pass, it's pretty much a reservation where you have to tap on a shoe to reserve it and pick up in the store. And I live in New York, so it'll be in Soho, or depending on your location, you pick it up there. It's pretty much this app, really hard to get shoes on. It sells out in seconds because of bots. Fuck bots. To get this VIP look on the shoes, you get that Nike swoosh stitched onto the shoe. As I mentioned in my previous video, the theme of off-white sneakers is to be deconstructed to look like you're putting a sneaker from scratch, kind of like a Frankenstein. You have that orange tag right here, representing the off-white. You have your iconic zip tie. This one right here, give you guys some script. Off-white C/O Nike 2017 zip tie. If you look at the zip tie, you have that quotation marks that I mentioned before, which is the theme of every shoe. Like your traditional Nike Prestos, you have your cages on the side to hold the laces. And you also have that, of course, on the inside as well. You have that font under these cages, which are gonna say Nike. And the same thing is basically what's on the zip tie. On the tongue, you have a big piece of foam actually cut out and stitched together by the Nike swoosh right here. If you look at the material, it's that foam material that's pretty much was on the off-white Jordan 1s, and it goes all the way up. If you already own Prestos, you notice that this part is going to be similar to it, with the little bubble right there. With the off-white twist, Virgil pretty much added the Nike logo on the side and this whole extra layer of foam on the top. On the side, you have your ear and quotation marks. This actually does flap off, and you can adjust it to how you like it. On the inside, you have your off-white X, which is the logo for those that don't really know about off-white, and it says the 10. The reason why it's called the 10, back in 2017 when the collaboration first dropped with Nike and Off-White, there were 10 shoes that were initially released. Some of you guys may be familiar with the Chicago Jordans and the original Prestos. These right here are the Presto 2.0s. These shoes came with a set of orange laces. One thing that I love about the laces with the off-white shoes are that it says shoelaces on it. If you've seen other type of shoes with the same exact style, same shoelaces, this is where it came from. I wish these shoes had multiple color laces like the other Prestos. They had like a green pair of laces, they have orange. I really wanted to mix and match with those. So with these shoes right here, I would cop. Probably one of the most comfortable shoes I ever wore, especially for Nike. Also, these shoes, too fly. The minute you bring these out, everybody's gonna look at them. These are a showstopper right here. Are they worth the resale price? Honestly, if you want them really bad, I would say pull the trigger because they're probably only gonna go up. One thing that's really important to note if you're gonna buy these shoes, there are no half sizes in these shoes. So what does that mean? Pretty much it goes from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc, etc. With these shoes, I wear 9.5, but I copped a size 9 in these shoes and they fit more than perfect. The shoe is literally like a slip-on sock, and you have a lot of room with the sock material, the mesh in the front, so you can move your toes around, wear them all day. They feel like you're walking on a cloud. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment below if you copped, paid resale, if you wore it or didn't wear it yet, and also how you feel about the shoe. If you like this video or want to see more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button below. Also, let me know what shoes you would like to see in the future that you want to review. JB out. Peace. Growing up the streets had me cautious. Squares tried to keep me in boxes. I don't care, I just keep up the progress. I ain't playing, I could keep all the hardships. Told myself I'll be in the garden, so big headed like I'm Gina and Martin. All I wanna do is feed y'all the bars. So it's the man who's called Selena and Barnes. Just tell him that I just